In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your organization's address in Xero. Whether you've moved offices, changed your mailing address, or just need to correct an error, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's get started. First, ensure that you're logged into your Xero account. You'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your financial data. It's important to be familiar with this dashboard, as it provides easy access to all the essential tools you need for overseeing your organization's finances. Once you're on the dashboard, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your organization's name prominently displayed. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. This menu provides links to various sections relevant to your organization, helping streamline your navigation experience in Xero. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll need to select Settings. This section contains all the customizable elements of your account, allowing you to tailor the system to fit your business needs. Once you click on Settings, another list of options will appear. From here, you should pinpoint and select the Organization Details option. Doing so takes you to a page where you can view and adjust all your organization's fundamental information, including addresses, contact details, and other critical organizational data. Now, if your aim is to update either the physical or postal address, you're in the right spot. Examine the relevant fields closely. This section of your organization details is structured to make it intuitive and straightforward to edit any outdated or incorrect address information. Simply click into the address fields and type in the updated address. It's crucial to double-check that every element, like street name, city, postal code, and country, are accurately filled to prevent any future issues or miscommunications. Finally, once you've typed in the new address and reviewed it for accuracy, you're ready to save your changes. Navigate to the Save button and give it a click. This action ensures that your updated information is stored correctly in your Xero account, reflecting the changes you've made. Remember, keeping your organization's address up to date in Xero is not only vital for clear communication, but also for compliance and financial documentation purposes. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that all your official correspondences and business operations can continue to run smoothly with the correct information in place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the address updating process in Xero straightforward and stress-free. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to check out more of our videos or visit Xero's support resources for further guidance.